Need to balance. Vadapav. 45 years. Ida, change it. Vadapav, you can put it away. I do. I pay him. Then what is 37? Okay, I pay you. 45.
First of all, press the volume up button, hold on and press the power button. Press both buttons, hold down for a second. When you see Android, leave the power button and hold down the volume up. You say command button, press volume up button and then press power button at the same time. Then you will see like this option. Choose the wipe data factory reset option by clicking on volume down button and then for this option press volume up button to select this option and click volume down button to choose the press delete all user data and press volume up button to delete all the user data, web data or reset. Now click volume up button to reboot the system.
Ayo, అయిపోయిందా ఇంకొక డౌట్ ఇమ్రాన్ నాకు.
That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day, friends.